e kuilima kako. Welcome back, Kaʻōhao. Emma here, back at it again.
Greetings and salutations, Kaʻōhao. Naomi here, and thank you for assembling for another marvelous episode, the inaugural episode of a brand new school year.
Speaking of assembling, oldie friend, what happens when Iron Man and Spider-Man team up?
Why, I certainly do not know, oldie friend.
They make alloys.
Allies?
A-L-L-O-Y-S. Because coming together in unity to get things done is downright metal.
Excellent!
Indeed. The arc reactor of our Happening campus has been powered back up, and Director Fraser has veritably thrown open the doors of an inveritably veritable new cafeteria.
A cafeteria so new, so bespoke, so gleaming that one hardly knows whether to table a veritable smorgasbord of sandwiches in it.
Why, truthfully, our young Avengers have been doing both.
I contend this is no mere lunchroom, oldie friend. It is a veritable smorgasbord of possibility.
A cornucopia of cuisine.
A tentpole of trays.
Why, we're just serving jokes left and right here at the desk, oldie friend.
Alas, I fear we have bitten off more than we can chew.
Then let us chew on it and let it marinate.
Let's cook!
Speaking of cooking, a brand new school year was served up hot on the lawn in front of the office, where the whole Ohana assembled in unity to get things done.
Strong work, Kaʻōhao, ergo, we salute you! And pray tell, oldie friend, what do you call it when Iron Man does a cartwheel?
Alas, I fear I already know.
A Ferris wheel!
You best be checking your sauces.
Greetings and salutations, Kaʻōhao.
Delilah here,
And Lucy, back at it again
with your dates and deets.
of all the happening things happening at our Happening campus. August 20th, meet the teacher and open house, 5:30 to 6:30. Come meet the oldie friends and the new August 21st, Statehood Day. No school.
September 3rd, Picture Day. Bring your most excellent smile.
September 7th, Labor Day, no school. September 12th, KSO Paniolo Ohana Night, 5 to 8.
And Ohana, at most sincere, remember to please pay your school August through October lunch pay.
Lucy,
And Delilah,
signing off. Goodbye.
Alas, it is closing time.
And I do declare that everyone wants a Spider-Man to be the next Iron Man.
But there will always be a stark difference.
Somebody's got to look out for the little guy, right?
Shh! Don't encourage Mr. Brad.
It's kind of a Springsteen-y, working-class hero vibe that I dig.
Now, new spaces mean new routines, and new routines mean a great deal of patience for everybody. Emma, do you know that this news team has said the words oldie friend 86 times?
86?
86.
Oldie friend. In an establishment as most excellence as our new cafeteria, to be 86 is to be struck clean off the menu.
Removed. Rescinded. Regrettably unavailable.
Emma signing off.
Like and subscribe to our channel, Kaʻōhao School Productions.
And you best be checking your sauces.
News team assemble!
E ala, e alu, e kuilima kako.